What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be going over Amazon. I closed out a massive profit on Amazon earlier today for $5,200. We're going to talk about the setup. We're going to talk about why I posted this 2 days ago and ultimately why I held on to my position, even though it came really basically did hit my stop loss for a minute, but I didn't end up triggering because I don't stick hard stops in the market. It's always a mental stop. And we're going to go over why I would be taking profits right now on Amazon and actually why I entered a short position on Amazon. So, covering Amazon, hit the like button, subscribe, check out our Discord community, guys. The link is in the description. Over 9,400 members strong. It's completely free. You guys get access to free courses, free live streams, free seminars, free webinars. Our goal is to get to 10,000 members by the end of the month. Definitely go and check it out. So I posted within the Discord 2 days ago on 11/8. Solid book map levels down on Amazon at $89. Big Money also hit some bullish flows on BBS. I might grab some shares down there, and I did end up grabbing shares at $89. So I ended up hitting a sizable position on Amazon. I started buying at 89 when this is a 1 hour chart. So not yesterday, but day before, I was buying down at 89. We had a little bit of a bounce. We dropped back down. We tried to hold 89. I grabbed a little bit more at 87, some more at 86. And my plan was to sell down here and stop out around 86.34, around 85.90, 85.50. These were the levels I was looking to get out at. And I decided at the time that I was going to hold on to it to see what happened with CPI data. We saw a lot of unusual flows and a lot of big money buying down within this level, and that's why I ultimately decided to hold. Looking back, I will be quite honest, I probably shouldn't have held. And that's something that, being, I guess, an influencer, not a lot of people will say, like, yes, I made $5,200, but from a risk perspective, I actually probably should have just sold and cut my loss because looking at this chart, if we had terrible CPI data that came out, there would be no reason for Amazon not to potentially fall down to $70. So my risk versus reward was pretty bad, but I stuck to my gut because I knew big money were buying into the CPI data numbers. So I was pretty sure that there was some sort of, I don't want to say like the insider trading, but like I think they knew, and that's why they were buying these up. We saw a lot of big buys, which is why I was so bullish. And so we had this massive jump up. We had this big gap. We opened this morning around 92, and then we saw a ton of unusual options activity coming through for the entire market. But for Amazon specifically, there was a lot of people that were buying calls. This is from 9:30 in the morning up to 10:54. This is just the alerts, not the flow, just the alerts. So this is where we had this continued rally, continued run. I sold way too early. I sold at like 93. I should have sold up around 95, 96, 97. It's whatever. Probably could have made another 2 grand, but I'm very, very happy. But we saw continued run. So this is what you want to see when we have a gap up for a fundamental reason, and then we start getting huge buys coming through. Normally, we're going to continue throughout the day, especially if we don't reverse by like 10 a.m. So overall, that was a really solid trade, and now I've entered a short position on Amazon because we have this huge resistance range coming up. So looking at Amazon here on Bookmap, you can see massive sell orders set in here at 98, 98.60, and 99. Now, not all of these have triggered, but this came right up. We tapped that level, tapped that level, tapped that level, unable to get over that, and that's why I went short on Amazon. Actually, down here, I got in somewhere around 96.16, so I'm actually down on this position. I might actually be even. I have to check, but looking at this, it looks as if we are going to try to hopefully pull back and test $90 in the next couple of days. If we were to push up and rip right through $98, then I would close out my position for sure and take that loss. But as of right now, I'm holding on to the position and we'll see where this thing goes. If we look at the candlestick chart as well, something to note is that this is also an old support level and resistance level. So that, all that lines up with where that big money was getting those sell levels at. So we'll see if we pull back, see if we test 90 in the next couple of days. If not, I will exit my position up around 97, 98 and take a loss. I hope this video helps, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you later on. Peace.